Hello students, welcome to SRINI'S Math. Today we are going to discuss about Class 11, Unit Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry. Topic Exercise 12.2, Question number 3, Option 2. Option 2. So 3 points, but we need to verify it is forming a right angle or not. First we assume the points A is 0, 7 and 10 and point B -1, 6 and 6, point C -4, 9 and 6. Now, if the triangles forming right triangles means must satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So, we need to find the three distance first. AB and DBC, then DCA. What is the distance formula? D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and z2 minus z1 then whole square. First part, DAB. For this one, A value is x1, y1 and z1. So the value 0, 7 and 10. Then B position x2, y2 then z2. The values -1, 6 and also 6. Now we are replacing. So DAB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So the x2 value is -1 and x1 is 0. So 0 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 then 6 minus 7 then whole square plus z2 minus z1. So 6 minus 10 then whole square. So -1 minus 0 just like a -1 then square and 6 minus 7 is -1 then square then -4 then square. So negative or positive, the power is even always positive number. So 1 then 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16. So this is equal to root of 18. So DAB, the value is root 18. Now we need to calculate DBC. What is the point B? -1, 6 and 6. And the point C -4, 9 and 6. Now x1, y1 and z1, x2, y2 and z2. Now replace DBC is equal to square root of same ditto x2 minus x1. So -4 minus -1 then square plus y2 minus y1. So 9 minus 6 then square and 6 minus 6 then square. Minus of minus is positive, so -4 and positive 1 then square and 3 square then 0 power 2. The next step, -3 then whole square then 3 square value is 9 then 0. So -3, the square is always positive, so 9 and also 9. So root of 18. This one is DBC. Next one, DCA. And C value is -4, 9 and 6. A value is 0, 7 and 10. So what's the value? X1, Y1 and Z1, then X2, Y2 and Z2. So now check. So DCA is equal to square root of, what is the formula here? X2 minus X1. So 0 minus of minus 4, then square, and 7 minus 9, the square, plus 10 minus 6, then square. So minus of minus is positive, square root of 4 square plus minus 2, then square, and 4, then square. What's the value? Square root of 16 plus 4 plus 16. Then the value is root of 36. So now check. DAB is equal to root 18 and DBC is equal to root 18. DCA is equal to root. So now check. Root of 18 we can able to write 9 times 2 and it is equal to 3 root 2. The same way here also. Then, so root 36, it's a familiar one, so just like a 6. So now, we check now. AB square plus BC square is equal to 3 root 2 square and the same 3 root 2 then square. So 3 square is 9, 9 times 2. 18 plus 18, then it is equal to 36. So AB square plus BC square value is 36. Then CA square, so 6 times 6, that is equal to 36. Using this relation, AB square plus BC square is equal to CA square. So it's similar to adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. So now the Pythagoras theorem is satisfying. So the given three vertices A, B, C creating a right angle triangle. Thank you.